So, for those of you that haven't seen the effects of a blown head gasket, we're gonna try and get you that result right here. There you go. There's that part of it. So that's either a blown head gasket, which I think it is, or it's the seal on the throttle body. We're gonna find out. Another place that you can check is on the dipstick. And I'm not seeing any bubbles on it or any discoloration in the oil or anything like that. On the back of the filler cap, nothing. It's clean. It's clean inside there. And last but not least is air bubbles coming out of the radiator when it's running, and I'm not seeing air bubbles coming out of the radiator when it's running. So all three places to look for evidence of a blown head gasket, only one of them is showing it. And you do have to remember that you have a radiator line going into your throttle body, and coming out of your throttle body right down there. So if this seal for that is gone, that could also be the problem, but we'll find out when we start taking it apart. We're gonna get old 666 to the garage, my garage, and we're gonna get it stripped down. I'm gonna be putting in the order for the engine gasket kit from my favorite distributor, and I'll get this done and I'll get back on the road.